Right, we're lime washing the day. We've already done two sides because of the heat. We had to get it done in the morning. This is on the north side, so it's shaded. So it should be a bit cooler this afternoon. But I've made up lime wash mix. 2 bags of lime and 40 or 50 litres of water. I think it's 40. It's consistency of like cream, pudding cream, so it's just perfect, goes on lovely. And when it's dry, whew, yeah, pretty sweet. So we'll get cracking. Every time you move your ladder, just give your lime wash a quick start because it will settle in the bucket. It's quite quick and settling, so just get a start and that'll be it. Good as new again. We're getting there. Hey folks, that's hard. Sounds good. Right folks, that's that wall whitewashed. It's still patchy because it's still wet. Probably take a couple of hours. Now it's going to be 36 degrees in the morning, so I'm not touching the wall again. But you can see we've got a crack here. But it's pretty much filled in that in. So probably get away with that. I'm going to fill that in up. But we'll go and have a look at the rest of the house because it's dry. So here she is. She's white. A hell of a lot whiter than I was expecting. But these patches here have to fill. There's a hole there, a bit needing sorted out here and here, a wee bit round the cable. I'm going to creppy the windy, as I said in another video, clean up the stone round about it. But what a hell of a difference. You still see every mark. I mean, short of taking either end or off and redoing it, you're always going to see it. But here's the other side as well. This is bright, eh? The French White House. Hell of a difference, eh? So I've just got to clean up around the windies, get them back to the original colour. Same with that in up there. And then we've got creppy to go on that bit of the wall. So I've never done that before, so God knows what kind of mess that's going to be. But that's it. That's the first coat of lime wash on. Got another coat and that'll do it. It's 35 degrees a day. We started at 8:30 this morning because that wall was still in the shade. And then we went to the end wall and then round the front. So, a hell of a difference. I didn't even care it was needing another coat, to be honest. We'll get another coat anyway. We'll just do it right because the house is up for sale. If you like what you see, make an offer. Right, this is the stuff we got. ARN CL90. Says here, ideal for lime wash. So that's perfect. Just helps the building breathe as well. It keeps it breathing. It doesn't seal it up so it sweats. Just lets the building breathe naturally. So that's cool. So if you're looking for lime wash in France, that's your stuff. Right, you get in and out the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you could, that would be awful fine. Yeah, big difference. Right, see you next time. Bye bye.